Hi friends, very good evening to all of you, and I welcome you all for my this new video. Yes friends, as you all know that this is my YouTube channel where I try to give you information regarding the new or latest development in real estate industry. So friends, I hope you all are be safe and secure at your home, because we all know that this is the horrendous time, and I cannot brief all the things in my words, because this is the very painful and terrified time for all of us. So please be careful, stay at your home and leave your home if you have any emergency, friends. And please request to all of you and suggest to all of you, I am talking about your loved ones, your neighbors, your friends, please follow the government instructions, because this is kind of gigantic problem for all of us. So friends, today's my topic is, what is the difference between primary market and secondary market. Yes friends, the primary market and secondary market, just I am briefing here related to real estate industry. Yes friends, so I am here to point out the difference between the primary market and secondary market related to real estate industry only. Yes friends, if I talk about the primary market, so it means first of all new geographical location. Yes friends, whenever we talk about the primary market, it comes by default a new geographical location. Yes, the second point, new master plan. Yes, new master plans means, suppose this is 2021, and if we talk about 2031, so government or any authorities, I am talking about development authorities, which refer or design the new area as per the future demand. Yes friends, so third one is fresh development. Yes, fresh development is the third point. And if we talk about the fourth one, that is new development infrastructures or area. Yes friends, like if we talk about new development or new infrastructures, so there are various things which we can include, like roads, flyovers, highways, and airport, railway tracks, metro, schools, colleges, universities, and industrial areas, IT, non-IT sectors areas, and we can say your SCZ, special economic zones. So these are the new infrastructures. Definitely we all count all to it in the primary market. Yes friends, and the fifth point is new product. I mean to say new product, mean to say first time product, like any sectors is about to development, or it planning to development, so where new building constructions happens or new industries will develop, new schools, new college. So these all are the new product which are developed for first time. Yes, and the sixth one point is uh, first time loan on such properties. Yes friends, in primary market, if we talk about your new buildings, residential housing projects, so on such properties the first time loan is about to happen. Yes, and a part of this new construction, as I said, as I use the words new technology. Yes, So new technology always comes with the primary market. Yes, and it happens generally because old constructions give an experience, and after have the experience, engineers, architectures get to know what kind of the new things or new technology they can adapt for new constructions, for having the benefits for the clients and investors for the long terms. Yes friends, and primary market always come with the cost effective, or we can say less cost. Yes, as I said, experience always teach us. So whenever we come with the new project, new locations, new developments, it always reduce the cost with the experience with have old one. Yes, and primary market concern majorly long life of the buildings, long life of the infrastructures, because new technology, new innovation comes with the primary market always. Yes, now here I will describe about the secondary market. Secondary market means second time buying property, or we can say the property which has been constructed before 5 years, 10 years and now it is ready for sale. Yes, and the second point, the mortgage process in secondary market always it is the second time loan which buyers take on himself. But first of all, first buyers has to pay off all the liabilities, all the dues, whatever he took on initially time to take, or we can say purchased that property. Yes friends, the next point is old construction. Yes, secondary market definitely point with the old constructions, old design, old technology. So it always, like old feeling, and we can say old experience. And secondary market always higher than primary market if we say about the cost concerns, price concerns, because with the time it has appreciated, and we can say price has gone on the stagnant point, or we can say very high point. So these are few points which I try to elaborate in this video. Hope you all understood and got my point. If you do have any concerns, any queries, any questions, please you can ask me on my WhatsApp number, voice number, both are same. That is 9811882385, and even you can contact to me on my mail ID mastercapital11@gmail.com, and Dinesh Dayal info@dineshDayal.in. So friends, if you like this video, so as I requested to you all at my initially time of this video, please like it and please comments on this video, because your valuable comments will encourage me and boost up my confidence and give me the right suggestion, and it will help me to create new videos on new direction, on right direction as well as. And please press the bell icon button, because it will help you to get my latest video notification to you always, and you can get the information of the real estate industries after watching such all videos. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope, and I request you all, please be at your home, and this is the time to keep patience and just follow the government instructions. Otherwise we all have to pay the price for the long terms. So thank you guys. Bye bye.